Ever returned from a trip feeling bloated, sluggish, or guilty about your food choices? You're not alone. 70% of travelers admit to unhealthy eating habits. But today, we're flipping the script. I'm sharing my favorite travel-friendly, healthy foods that keep me energized, satisfied, and ready for adventure. Let's dive in. Welcome back. Traveling is exciting, but it's easy to fall into the trap of gas station, junk food, or airport fast food. The problem? Those choices leave you feeling drained, guilty, and far from your best. Today, we're exploring practical, tasty options that fit in your luggage and fuel your adventures. Let's get real about the challenges. 1. Limited options. Airports and rest stops are snack wastelands. Think greasy fries, sugary muffins, and mystery meat. 2. Time constraints. Who has time to hunt for a grocery store when you're rushing to catch a flight? 3. Portability. Fresh produce? It bruises. Yogurt? It spills. We need non-messy, non-perishable wins. I just grab whatever's quick. I know it's not great, but, yeah, been there. But today, we're solving these pain points with over 10 travel-friendly foods that are easy, nutritious, and delicious. First up, protein bars. Look for bars with under 5 grams sugar and 10 grams plus protein, like RX Bar or Kind. They're lifesavers for long flights or road trips. Pair with an apple for fiber and crunch. Skip the gas station mix loaded with make your own. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and unsweetened dried fruit. Portion into snack bags, no spills. Bananas, apples, and oranges are travel superheroes. They're pre-packaged by nature. For softer fruits like berries, freeze them. They'll thaw by snack time. Pre-portioned nut butter packets are magic. Spread on rice cakes, dip apple slices, or eat straight from the packet. Pro tip, check for no added sugar versions. Pack baby carrots, cucumber slices, or bell peppers with single-serve hummus cups. Crunchy, satisfying, and zero guilt. Look for shelf-stable Greek yogurt tubes. No refrigeration needed. They're high in protein and perfect for road trips. Pair seed-based crackers with cheese or turkey slices. They're lightweight and won't crumble in your bag. Pre-boil eggs at home. They last 5-7 days in the fridge. High protein, zero prep on the road. Skip sugary drinks. Add lemon or mint to your water bottle. Pro tip, freeze a water bottle. It doubles as an ice pack and hydrates you as it melts. Mix oats, chia seeds, and almond milk in a jar. Add fruit at the airport. No refrigeration needed for 24 hours. See? Healthy eating on the go is totally doable. Now, let's look at the star tip, Airport Survival Guide. Airports are minefields of bad choices, but here's how to thrive. 1. Scope the options first. Check the terminal map for health food kiosks. Places like Cibo Express often have salads or fruit cups. 2. DIY airport meal. Grab a banana, a packet of nuts, and a yogurt from a convenience store. Add a bottled water with lemon for a balanced snack. 3. Avoid the grab-and-go traps. Skip the pizza, burgers, and sugary coffee drinks. Opt for a grilled chicken wrap or a veggie bowl if available. See? No excuses. Even airports can work with a little planning. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about mindful choices. Pack a few of these staples, stay hydrated, and enjoy local treats in moderation. Your body and energy levels? Well, thank you. Which tip will you try first? Comment below with your go-to travel snack. And if you love this, check out my 5-minute meal prep for travelers video. Don't forget to subscribe. We're here to make every adventure healthier. Safe travels.